All right guys, welcome to another video. So today we're talking about the new quarterly box from Nomadik box. Check out the size of this box. So that's what we're going to talk about. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Take that first step, click subscribe if you haven't already. All right, so today we're talking about the first quarter of 2024 quarterly box for Nomadik. So check out the size of this box. So these boxes will run you $150 and it's massive. I mean, I've gotten some amazing gear from these boxes. So you can go over to Nomadik. There'll be a link in the description below to get over to Nomadik and check out their quarterly boxes, which is different from their monthly boxes. So today we're going to use the Gerber Splice. I did a review of this. I've done multiple videos on this little multi-tool. I'll put a card up top. You can go check this video out, or those videos out. Let's get into this box and see what we have. So if we can get this tape cut. So every quarterly box has a theme, and I can't remember what this theme is. I saw it, but I can't remember what it is. But I don't know what's in this. So let's keep that handy. Oh, there's our card. So just like the monthly boxes, we have a card, pamphlet. This is emergency prep kit. So inside your pamphlet, you have a list. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 items in this box. And then you have in every pamphlet, you have Nomadik tips, which always relates to the theme, a Nomadik challenge, and then you have brand discounts, which is a QR code on the back. So I see something massive in here, but I can't get to it for the small things on top of it. So let's just start with what we can. So we've got a wire saw, awesome for survival and emergencies. You have a wire saw, that's cool. Let's put that to the side. We've gotten those in a few boxes. We have a cold pack. So a single use cold pack, you rip the top off, you add water to this line here and shake, and it becomes cold pack. All right, so there's that. We've gotten those before. We have SOS Food Lab emergency drinking water. We have 2 of these, water in there. So yeah, emergency water. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. We have Carmack Outdoors, Carmack, I guess is how you pronounce it. Get your lost gear back. It's a QR code that you register. We've gotten one of these in another box before. You scan the QR code and you create an account. You apply this decal to your backpack or whatever gear you want to attach it to. If anybody finds it, they see that QR code, they scan it, you're notified, and you can get your gear back. Let's get some of this other stuff out of the way and go for the big item. I'm gonna have to put the box down. Aqua Brick. 3-gallon. Now let's go to our pamphlet. So, Aqua Brick portable food and water storage container. 3-gallon Aqua Brick is airtight, watertight, and easy to fill transport water and food container built to last. This 2-handled brick can go anywhere you can. Stack it, strap it, or carry it. The brick is your #1 emergency preparedness container. So you have a handle here, you have a handle here. If you have more than one, you got that, and you got this, so you can stack them. And it is 3 gallons of water, or whatever you want. Pretty awesome. So there's that 3-gallon water container for water. All right, next we have Hiker Medic med packs. So this has a pile of stuff in it. We've got 2 sunscreens, 2 lip balm, 2 burn gel, 2 alcohol wipes, 4 one size bandage, 4 of another bandage, 2 gauze, 2 blister strips, 2 antibiotic ointments, 1 whistle, 2 electrolytes, 2 sting and bite relief, 1 emergency blanket, 20 foot of 550 paracord, 4 ibuprofens, 2 Benadryls, and a water purification tablet. So this is Hiker Medic, a hiker first aid kit. That's pretty awesome. It tears off here, but it is a resealable bag, so you can reseal that up if you had to get into it. But it is pretty compact, and it packs down even smaller. So it says it weighs 5.4 ounces. That's pretty awesome. I've never been one to really worry about taking a whole lot of first aid gear on a hiking trip, but this is the essentials, and definitely in an emergency situation, you got a lot of good stuff. So there's that. Duraderm Sport. Don't really know what this is. It is a micro something liquid polymer that actively kills viruses, fungi, and bacteria on contact and forms an elastomeric film barrier that protects the wound from water, dirt, and germs. So it looks like, let's just open it. So it looks like it's a little vial. Okay, so you get 5 of them. You get 5. And it looks like on the back of the box that you pull that cap off, you break it, and then it comes out from under that cap. So that's pretty cool. No antibiotics. It's biodegradable, water resistant, durable, odorless. Yeah, pretty cool. Something else that's small, we have a burn med pack. So that is for specialty first aid kit for treating burns. So we've got gauze, non-adherent pad, burn dressing, cold pack, a Scentsy wrap, and instructions for use. That's pretty awesome. A rat's tourniquet. That's pretty cool. I used to carry one of these in my EDC every day. This is a little bit bigger than what I used to carry, but this is a rat's tourniquet. So, and then lastly, oh, nope, we got one more big item. But we got live fire here. We've got basically an emergency fire starter. So there you go. And then lastly, another big item, we have the Life Straw gravity water filtration system. This is 3 liters. Fill this up, pour it in this, and you got water. You got drinking water from this. 3 liters this will hold. This will hold 3 liters of water. So extreme durability, ultra leak proof. It filters bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. And yeah, pretty awesome. Let's see, can we get into it? Let's see what it looks like here. So it is a giant water bladder. Giant water bladder. Looks like we got a strap here to hang it. Straw, instructions. I think we need to test this bad boy out. So stay tuned for that, and we will test it out. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe. I do Nomadik boxes every single month, and these are some pretty cool items. Some pretty big items as well. Pretty big, like a stackable 3-gallon water container. Trying to think of ways I can use this. So there we go. Some of this stuff I'll be able to do reviews on. I'm gonna test this out. Well, not really 100%, but I'm gonna test this out, see how it works. It's the rat's tourniquet. I've had one, I've had a small one, but it says that it works on adults, kids, animals. It is recommended by the American College of Emergency Physicians. And this comes from Rapid Medical, which is veteran owned and operated. So we're gonna test this bad boy out. I hope that I don't have to test this out, but this is the Burn Medic. Water, it's always good to have emergency water somewhere on hand. This is pretty awesome. I got to see, this has expiration date on it. So it says it's good until November of 2028. So figure out where I'm gonna put this to store it and have it for an emergency situation. We've got our cold pack. What else do we have? I guarantee you with 4 kids, I will find a reason to use this. So we'll test this out. Our wire saw. Hiker Medic. I may do a video. I've gotten more than one of these. I may do a video where I break into it and show you everything that's in there. If you're interested in that, drop it in the comment below and I'll bust this bad boy open and we'll see. I know that if I open it, I won't be able to get everything back in there the way it was. But if you guys want to see it, I'll bust into this and show you what all is in there. And live fire. I think we've gotten more than one of these, so we may test this bad boy out. So there you go. That is the, what is it? Emergency Prep Kit quarterly box. So if you're interested, head over to Nomadik. Link will be in the description below and you won't be disappointed. Get over there, check them out. And that's all I've got for today. So make sure to hit that thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.